Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of America, to our 10th anniversary video. We have our YouTube channel for 10 years. We're here at Lakewood Ranch. So just gonna do a freeform video today. Maybe show you a little bit of our process. When you do some vlogging, a lot of times it's about, what I like to do is I kind of like to investigate potential places that I'd like to do a video. So we're here in Lakewood Ranch again. We had come here last week, but this is a different section in Lakewood Ranch. So it's got Skyline Chili and a few other things. So let me turn this over to Kerry. Hold on. So we're here with Kerry for the 10th anniversary video. 10 years of video of your expressions.
Yay. So excited.
So you got to give some...
look at a chili menu, and I only like chili with no beans.
You mean...
Lewis is really surprised.
You mean Skyline Chili?
Yeah, whatever it is.
You got to give Kerry some well wishes today. Kerry's sick today.
Bronchitis.
Kerry's got bronchitis, so she's on the mend today. She's on medicine and cough drops and all that. Yep. So we decided we stop off over here and show you some of our freeform video stuff, and also do this 10th anniversary video. I was thinking about doing highlights, and I think I'll do that down the road or something, like greatest hits or something, but we'll see. But we got some good places over here. But like I said, part of the process is this, and we're not going to eat in here, but we're going to go take a look in Skyline Chili and see what we think for a potential future video. So this is famous, obviously, from Ohio. This is my first time here. I've never been here before. Right, they're closed for the Super Bowl. Kerry's a big Seahawks fan.
Oh, go Seahawks.
Hello. Wow, it's a big place. That's nice. Look at that. Wow. Making all kinds of taco and chilies in there. Look at that. Hey, so we're here with Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Can you tell us a little bit about Skyline Chili? We've never been here before.
All right, so Skyline was founded in Cincinnati in 1949 by Nicholas Lamborghinis. It's Greek-style chili, so it's going to be a lot thinner than what you typically think of, and it doesn't have any beans or onions or anything cooked in. It's just the ground beef.
Oh, that's good, because I know when there's no beans, it's a better chili. I think when you get people that make a cheaper chili, they throw a lot of beans in there. And so is that obviously chili is a signature thing. And you have hot dogs too, right? And salads and all that good stuff. That sounds awesome. We're going to definitely come back and do a video.
All right.
Appreciate you, Sarah.
All right,
thank you.
Can you get it with no beans?
No, you don't need any beans on it. You can do it with just the chili, or you can add beans.
No beans, okay.
I don't like beans.
Look at that. Spaghetti, chili. That looks awesome. Gotta definitely come back here. That's where they make the hot dogs. This looks good. As you can see, she was really nice, and we always like to ask permission if we could film and things like that. No one really likes just to run in there. Sometimes I'll call up in advance if I know it's a busy place or something really going on, but it's always nice to ask, right? Here's the front of it. Hold on. Here's a view from the outside. Yeah, I've never been there before. It's definitely one we got to do.
Yeah, I could do.
Now that you got a menu. And again, Lakewood Ranch, again, freeform in this video, but this, living in celebration for as long as we did, this is the #1 community in America. It gets voted that every year for the past, I don't know how many years now. And it's a really nice community, but my one qualm about it is that it's very broken up. It's like celebrations like being inside, say, Prospect Park or Central Park. In Lakewood Ranch, it's almost like, say, living in Brooklyn and you have different neighborhoods, and which is nice too, but it's just a little bit different. Kerry found the sourdough pizza. It's just a little bit different. But anyway, we're freeforming this. And you got Atria Pizza. This looks good. Wicked awesome ice cream. Kerry's going to try that one day, I'm sure. I wonder if they're from Boston or something. Well, usually that's like a Connecticut or a Boston thing, isn't it? When people say...
Boston, you know who they're rooting for.
People say wicked. Well, you didn't see the specials over here. Look. Oreo milkshake. Waffle cones. Death by chocolate sundae. Chocolate fudge, brownie ice cream, hot fudge, chocolate chips. If anybody watches this channel, they're not going to lose weight. So you know that going into my channel. No one's losing weight on my channel. Maybe from walking around Disney, we might. But it's a tough one. Martial arts, they got that over here. Dermatology. That's after you get your chocolate allergy reaction? Wow, they got a Pizza Hut over here too.
If I was hungry, I'd be bringing a pizza home.
Amazing. Smells good. Carrie's a big pizza person. If you haven't watched her channel, that's her number one food. For me, it's hot dogs. Look at this, the Big New Yorker. $10. Our biggest pizza. 6 extra large foldable slices.
Well, if only I was hungry.
Smells good. Organic hair salon and a realty. So I just want to say thank you very, very much for 10 years of our video channel. We look forward to many more vlogs in the future. We're not ending this one, but I just want to say thank you for all the support. You know, it's really a great therapy thing for all the different problems you have in life and all the good things and meeting people. And I just want to say thank you to everyone out there for watching. If anyone has any ideas for videos, I'm always trying new things. And, you know, my main core thing is we love going to restaurants and we love going to Disney. But I'm always trying little things like Major League Baseball videos and whatever. I'm always trying to find that little niche or that little variety. I mean, today it's rough because you have so many channels dedicated to specific things. But I just like to do a little bit of everything. And, you know, mostly it kind of all makes a weird kind of sense in one way, shape, or another. I mean, it's mostly going to be restaurants and theme parks and just going places, travels in general. We do love our travels. We like to get up and about, going as many places as we can in between work and stuff. And like someone told me, you're always going somewhere. Well, with the loss of Matt, it's sometimes not so much that we're going somewhere, it's that we're going away from something or trying to escape sometimes. And that's really more what it's about, and making the connection. So we're going to continue our investigation. If Kerry wants to check out the ice cream store. She saw pints to go. Wow, just smells creamy in here. Look at that. I like that little thing. Fudge brownies. Mexican hot chocolate. Wow. Oh my God. These flavors. Cake batter, that's one of my favorites. Trash can. I love the names of these things. Wicked awesomeness starts right here. See, there's your choice, a single, double, mega, waffle bowls. I like the names of them. They even have spumoni, look at
They
that.
have pistachio.
She gets some to bring home.
Where?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, we're just looking.
Oh my God, you gotta see this one. Pirates of the Caribbean, rum raisin. Look at that. That's an interesting one. You gonna get the trash can? They're still rocking the holiday special. Moose tracks. What does the trash can look like? That green one?
I don't know. Where's the pistachio? What's that say?
Pistachio's down there, I think.
That's
Pumpkin
just mint
swirl.
shake. I don't eat mints.
I think you should get the trash can.
I don't know what it is.
This is nice though. Look, see, you can come in here. Again, when you do videos, it's a good place to just sit down and you do a nice video in here. You learn things as you go along. I mean, I learned a lot in 10 years. I like it too because it's got like a kind of like a Ursula type of feel to it, like a voodoo or like a under the sea kind of feel to it. Like if this was like Ariel's ice cream parlor, I could really picture that somehow. Carrie's trying a pistachio.
I love pistachio.
How is it?
It's good. I'm gonna come back. Thank you.
All right, so that's going to do it for us for this video. And once again, thank you everybody so much for tuning in, for watching, for subscribing, for all the support, the comments. If there's any which way I could help anybody, I mean, I don't have a huge YouTube channel, but I've learned some tricks over the years. And if you're starting it up, I really suggest it. Could give you some tips or some pointers. If you want to email me, it's wafflesfoundation@gmail.com. or just leave a comment on the video. There's a few things that you learn along the way, and it's just fun, you know. And that's what it's all about, is learning, having fun. It's nice meeting up with the people, fellow YouTubers, vloggers, and just filming everyday life. That's really what it comes down to, you know, kind of doing like the Adam the Woo thing. I mean, I started my channel because everyone knows Matt was saying I should start a channel, and then I had seen Adam's videos, and I said, that's the kind of videos I want to do, kind of like freeform. And everyone has their own kind of way of doing things. No one's exactly like the other person, but it's always good to have that little inspiration. So again, if there's any way I could help anybody, please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. So until now, this is Alan Kerry signing off, and thank you once again for 10 very happy, wonderful years on YouTube. We look forward to the next 10 and a lot more adventures in and around and beyond that. See you in the future. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.